Hello and welcome to another Salesforce tutorial video. My name is Elijah Wendell and I will be your Salesforce administrator today, and we will be talking about changing your default web browser. Now first, what is a web browser? Well, it is what you use to access the internet. Some common browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. Second, why do I need to change the one that I'm using right now? And the simple answer is that Salesforce works better with Google Chrome. Most of you are probably using Internet Explorer because that is the standard default web browser. So we need to change that, and let's get started. What we're going to do first is we're going to come down here to our lower left portion of the screen, and we're going to click on this Start button right here. And when we do, we see a nice menu pop up, and there's a lovely little search bar in the bottom of it. And we're going to click on that search bar. We're going to type in the word default. Now when we do that, our computer is now searching itself for that word default, and it's found all these. So what we want is this one right here, the one that says default programs, and it's right up under the section control panel. When we click on that, up pops this lovely page, and there are four options here for us. We would like to check the first one. Set your default programs. That is what we want to click. So we're going to click on that. When we click on that, our computer is going to bring up all the programs here on our left that we can choose from. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to find Google Chrome right there, and we're going to click on it. When we click on that, this pops up, and this little page here gives us an option to set this program as a default. So we're going to click on that, and when we click on that, it says this program has all its defaults. And we're going to click OK and exit out. And we are done. Google Chrome is now our default web browser. But you may not see it down here. It may not be visible. So how do I get to Google Chrome if it's not visible down there? What we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Start menu here. And we're going to search for this again. Even though I can see it, some of you may not be able to. We're just going to type in Google, and there it is, Google Chrome. So what we're going to do is we're going to right-click Google Chrome there, right-click. And when we right-click, this menu pops up. And we're going to look for down this menu about halfway, and you're going to see this Pin to Taskbar. And that is what this is called down here. So we are going to click Pin to Taskbar, and there it is. We can double-click that now, and up pops Google Chrome. And that is exactly what we want. Other than that, the only thing that's going to change is when you go to open an email in Outlook, and somebody sent you one that has a link to a web page in it. Whenever you click that link, it's going to use Google Chrome to open it, but you shouldn't notice a big difference there. And that's it. You set your default web browser. Congratulations, and we'll see you next time.